Sure. Here's a YouTube voiceover script in English for your channel Car Reviewpedia, focused on the 2025 Restomod of the 1960 Chevrolet C10 truck. The tone is designed for voice narration, engaging, informative, and natural. It contains over 500 words, as requested. Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the place where classic charm meets modern innovation. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special, a bold, reimagined legend. This is the 2025 version of the iconic 1960 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. But make no mistake, this isn't just a restoration. It's a Restomod masterpiece. A vintage silhouette packed with 21st century power, comfort, and tech. Let's start with the looks, because this truck makes a statement before the engine even starts. The designers have preserved the classic lines of the original 1960 C10, the wide stance, the rounded hood, the signature wraparound windshield. That old school charm is all here. But now, it comes with a fresh twist. Modern LED headlights are smoothly integrated into the front fascia, and the body sits lower on a custom performance chassis. It's classic American style with a modern muscle car attitude. Under the hood, this beast isn't playing games. Instead of the old straight 6 or small block V8, the 2025 version is powered by a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 crate engine, pushing out over 450 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers power that no 1960s truck ever dreamed of. The exhaust note is deep and raw, the kind that turns heads before you're even visible. But it's not just about speed. The entire suspension has been reworked. We've got coilover shocks, independent front suspension, and performance brakes that actually stop when you need them to. The ride is smooth, responsive, and incredibly stable at highway speeds, nothing like the original. It's built to handle curves, not just country roads. Slide into the interior, and it's a whole different story. This is where retro truly meets refinement. You'll notice the bench seat, but it's been fully reupholstered in high-grade leather with contrast stitching. The original dash design remains, but it's now fitted with a digital cluster and a hidden touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even a backup camera, something unimaginable in 1960. You've also got power windows, keyless entry, push-button start, and a premium sound system tucked neatly behind custom panels. Everything is beautifully integrated to maintain the vintage aesthetic while giving you every modern convenience. It's a truck that respects its roots but isn't stuck in the past. So, who is this truck for? It's for the enthusiast who loves classic looks but wants modern performance. Someone who appreciates craftsmanship and detail. It's not just a collector's piece, it's a driver's machine. You can cruise to a car show, win a trophy, and drive it home without missing a beat. It's reliable, fast, and turns more heads than most modern sports cars. Of course, all this comes at a price. Depending on the builder and options, a high-end 2025 Restomod C10 like this can set you back anywhere from $120,000 to $180,000. But for many, it's worth every penny, for the style, the experience, and the uniqueness. You're not just buying a truck, you're owning a piece of history that's been reborn for today. In a world where so many cars look the same, this truck stands out, bold, nostalgic, and unapologetically cool. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 Restomod is proof that old metal still has a soul, and when it's done right, it can drive like a dream. Thanks for watching Car Reviewpedia. If you love timeless classics with modern performance, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this. See you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like this adapted for a Japanese audience or need a script for another vehicle.